Hi, my name is April. I'm here today to talk about Excel and creating and formatting tables. Sometimes when you export your data to an Excel worksheet, you'll find that the information is a little bit messy and maybe not formatted the way that you'd like. I've got a couple tips and tricks that I use to make this look a little bit cleaner. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that these are all formatted to be monetary. So we're going to copy the first one because that is correct, and we're just going to paste the formula to the whole bit of information here. So if we select formatting just underneath, you select this, it will change it all to monetary, so now we don't need to worry about that. We want to take all of the information that we want included, so we're going to start at row A4, or cell A4, and we're going to drag it all the way down to D15. Next, we are going to select Insert, and then simply press Table. It will ask you if this is the correct selection that you want to include in this table. You can hit OK. So here we have just our basic. This is what Excel wants your table to look like, but we do have some options here to make some of this information make a little bit more sense. The first thing that I like to do is just click anywhere into this table, and you'll be brought to this table design option here. Here we can either make sure that the information that we want to see is highlighted. If we want to see our sales reps' names, we can select the first column and these will all go bold. We can take that away. If we don't even want to see this top row at all, you can choose to completely take that off. If you do not want the option to filter, you can also remove those arrows as well. My favorite function that I always add on is my total row. Right now, we'll see that the only total we're receiving is the desserts. If we want to see other totals, you can select the bottom row, the drop-down menu, and you have the option to select your count, the minimum cell value, the maximum cell value. We're going to select sum to get the whole total. We'll do this for both. Now we have a total for all of the goods sold for each of these categories. Now that you have your table, you might want to add information such as a commission rate. We can do this by simply adding the information to a cell that's right against our table. You will see it automatically becomes part of our table. If you would like to put information on this sheet that you do not want included in the table, just simply select a cell that is not touching the table, such as this one. For our commission rate, we've selected 3%. This will not change for each of the goods sold, so we would like to make this an absolute formula. I will quickly show you how to do this. We want to take the sum of the goods sold by the first rep. And we would like to times this by our commission rate. To make this absolute so that the formula does not auto-select the cells below G2, we will make this absolute by adding in the dollar symbol before the letter and before the number. So G2. Now this cell is locked, it will not change even if we paste our formula all the way down this row. If we would like to see the amount of commission that has been paid out for these goods, again, we can simply go to the bottom, select the drop-down menu, enter sum. This is $2.61. Now I would like to walk through filtering the data on this table. If we want to see the goods that one rep has sold, we can simply select one of the drop-down menus on the top bar. In this case, let's take a look at Suzanne. The table has automatically formatted to exclude any information that is not related to Suzanne. All of the totals only equal her sales sold. This can be very useful if you have a very long list with a lot of names and you simply want to get the information on one person without manually pulling all of that information. Now that we've created the table, we are able to format this and filter through to gather all the information that we would like to see. It is also ready to be prepared into a graph if needed. We can do this by simply clicking on the chart or the table, going to Insert, and selecting any chart. So today we went through how to create a simple table. I hope you found this information helpful. If you'd like more information, please go to our website or subscribe.